Introduction. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of investing in 2025. As we navigate through this rapidly changing financial landscape, understanding the basics of investing and the emerging trends is more crucial than ever. We'll explore key investment opportunities that can lead to significant financial growth, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. From stocks and real estate to innovative technologies, we'll cover it all. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of how to make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals. Let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment. Understanding the basics of investing. Investing can seem daunting, but grasping a few fundamental concepts can set you on the right path. Let's start with some key terms. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are loans to governments or corporations, and mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Understanding your risk tolerance is essential. It helps you determine how much risk you're willing to take based on your investment goals. Additionally, diversification is a crucial strategy to minimize risks by spreading your investments across various asset classes. By familiarizing yourself with these concepts, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions. Current investment trends in 2025. As we look at the investment landscape in 2025, several key trends are shaping how investors approach their portfolios. Emerging sectors like renewable energy and technology are gaining traction, driven by a global push for sustainability and innovation. Additionally, the impact of inflation and fluctuating interest rates is prompting investors to rethink traditional strategies, making it essential to stay informed about economic indicators. Another significant trend is the rise of sustainable and socially responsible investing, where investors prioritize companies that align with their values. By understanding these trends, you can better position yourself to capitalize on opportunities that not only promise financial returns, but also contribute positively to society. Opportunities in real estate investment. Real estate remains a compelling investment avenue with diverse opportunities for growth. Investors can choose from various types of real estate investments, including real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in property portfolios without direct ownership, or traditional rental properties that generate passive income. Current market trends indicate that areas with high growth potential, such as urban centers and developing neighborhoods, are attracting attention. However, the importance of location cannot be overstated. It significantly influences property value and rental demand. Additionally, effective property management is crucial for maximizing returns and maintaining tenant satisfaction. By understanding these factors, you can make informed decisions in the real estate market. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the investment landscape, offering unique opportunities and challenges. At their core, cryptocurrencies are digital assets that utilize blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that ensures transparency and security. However, investing in cryptocurrencies comes with significant volatility and risks. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods, making it essential to approach with caution. Among the most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, often seen as digital gold, and Ethereum, known for its smart contract capabilities. Understanding these basics and the inherent risks can help you navigate the crypto market more effectively. As you explore this exciting investment avenue, staying informed is key to making sound decisions. Building a balanced investment portfolio. Creating a diversified investment portfolio is essential for managing risk and achieving financial goals. The first step is understanding asset allocation, which involves distributing your investments across different asset classes based on your risk tolerance. For example, if you're more risk-averse, you might lean towards a higher percentage of bonds, while aggressive investors may favor stocks. When selecting a mix, consider including a variety of stocks, bonds, and alternative investments like real estate or commodities to enhance diversification. Additionally, it's crucial to conduct regular portfolio reviews and adjustments to ensure your investments align with changing market conditions and personal goals. This proactive approach can help you stay on track for long-term success. Conclusion. In today's video, we explored the essentials of investing in 2025, covering fundamental concepts, current trends, and opportunities in various sectors like real estate and cryptocurrencies. We emphasized the importance of informed investing, understanding your risk tolerance, and the need for diversification to build a balanced portfolio. Now that you have these insights, it's time to take action. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to check out our related content for further learning on investment strategies and market trends. Together, let's empower ourselves to make smarter financial decisions.